Welcome back everyone, and thank you for joining me. Today's video is all about nude lipsticks, and when MAC launched a collection of nude lipsticks I get really excited because I know that there's going to be at least one shade that's going to suit my skin tone. They do such a great job of catering for all skin tones. There's definitely something for everyone. So whether you might be a little bit fussy like myself and have a very long list of how your nude lipstick should look, there's actually different textures, so whether you like matte or gloss and everything in between. There's different undertones, so lipsticks that are more peachy, more brown or more pinky, and there's also nude lipsticks that have different depths, so whether you like your nude lipstick to look really pale or whether you like your nude lipstick to look a little bit darker, and again everything in between. So there really is something for everyone. Sometimes trying to find the perfect nude lipstick can be really overwhelming. With so many different options available, it can get a little bit confusing. So I'm going to show you my favorite 3 ways that I like to wear nude lipstick, and I'm going to be using my personal favorite lipstick colors from the MAC Stripdown collection. So most of the time I wear quite a natural makeup. I'll wear just a bit of foundation, a bit of something on the eyes, a bit of mascara, and a natural lipstick. So the first way I like to wear nude lipstick is so that it matches this exact color and just so that it looks natural. So 2 of my favourite nude lipsticks that are really close to my natural lip colour are Whirl and Persistence. They're both matte lipsticks. How I like to put them on so that they look natural is just by pressing them into the lip. A matte lipstick generally has quite a fuller coverage or will apply to the lips quite strongly. So just by pressing them into the lip, it's going to look really natural, which is exactly what I'm after. Sometimes my lips feel quite dry, so most of the time I'll either put a gloss over top or like today I put a lip conditioner over the top of my matte lipstick. Not so that it looks super glossy, but just so that it feels really comfortable on my lips. Nude lipstick can also be darker than your natural lip color. You can focus less on the eyes and a little bit more on the lips. And this is the second way that I really like to wear a nude lipstick. It's usually the style of makeup that I wear when I don't have too much time. So it's really handy if you have somewhere to go from daytime to nighttime and you just need a makeup look that's really quick and easy, so you can focus more on the lips and, you know, add on a little bit of extra mascara. So this is what I've done with my makeup look right now as well. So I put on a little bit more foundation, I put on some liquid liner, a tiny bit of eyeshadow, a little bit of blush and contour, and then we're going to focus on the lips. Saw and Derriere lipsticks are my favourite lipsticks from the collection that are a little bit more of a darker nude. I decided to put Plum Lip Pencil with Saw lipstick as it's a colour that is very similar to my actual lip colour. It's got that pinky kind of plummy undertone to it. Plum Lip Pencil and Saw lipstick make a really good combination together. I'm loving it, and I'm definitely going to be wearing this one again. Derriere lipstick, on the other hand, is about 1 shade darker than my natural lip colour and has more of a brownie undertone to it. I love the combination of the deep brown lip gloss, which just adds a little bit more of an extra depth, and it's kind of made it more of a feature of my makeup too, so that again, that bolder nude lip with the softer eye makeup. The third way I like to wear nude lipstick is my absolute favourite. It's with a bold eye paired with a really pale nude lip. So I've gone ahead and I've added some false lashes, I've added some liquid liner, and I've added a little bit more blush as well, because the lips are going to be quite pale as I want the eye makeup to stand out. Sometimes I get a little bit excited and I choose a lipstick that is maybe too pale for me, or I don't know if you've ever tried on a nude lipstick and it just like washes out your lipstick or your lips completely and you feel perhaps a little bit dead, or like you've got no colour left in you whatsoever. I'm going to show you the products that work best so that you can still have a really pale nude lipstick, so that you've still got a little bit of colour left in your makeup. My 2 favourite lipsticks from the collection that are a pale nude are Sexy, which is a really beautiful cool tone light brown, and Kinkster. I'm putting on Stripdown Lip Pencil, which is a light brown shade, and what it's going to do is take out any plum shading from my natural lip colour. Sexy lipstick has a really beautiful creamy texture to it. It almost feels like gloss on its own and has a beautiful brown undertone. Kinkster is one of my favourite nude lipstick as it almost matches the colour of my skin. However, when I first tried it on, it did look a little bit too pale and I did look washed out. So what I did is I put cork lip pencil and just filled in the outer corners of the lip line, to give a little bit of a dimension so I don't look too washed out. Love Nectar lip gloss also adds a beautiful warmth to this pale nude. So that's all my favourite lipsticks from the MAC Stripdown collection. Out of all 32, these are just a few of my personal favourites. I hope you're able to find some tips because there's so many different ways that you can wear a nude lipstick. Thank you so much for watching, and if you happen to be watching on YouTube, I'd love if you could subscribe, and if you're watching from my website, you can click the link below to see how we can find the best shades together in a one-on-one class. Thanks for watching.